A for angelfish, they swim with grace. B for blue whale, big splash in place. C for clownfish with a smile so cute. D for dolphin, joyful they'll shoot. E for eel, they slither and slide. F for flounder, flat on the tide. G for great white shark, fierce in the sea. H for hammerhead, strong and free. Alphabet of the ocean flow, from A to Z, come underwater show. Dive deep, let the sea life glow. Sing with me where the creatures grow. I for isopod, small but tough. J for jellyfish, swirling stuff. K for krill, tiny but grand. L for lobster, king of the sand. M for manta ray, flying so high. N for nautilus, ancient and shy. O for octopus, clever and slick. P for penguin with its tuxedo trick. Q for queen angelfish, Q for queen angelfish. R for ray, R for ray. S for seahorse, S for seahorse. T for turtle, T for turtle. U for urchin, U for urchin. V for vampire squid, V for vampire squid. V for vampire squid. W for walrus, W for walrus. X for Xyphosaura, X for Xyphosaura. Y for yellowfin tuna, Y for yellowfin tuna. Z for zebra shark, Z for zebra shark.